is marked down here. We're going to be looking at how we can copy and paste multiple slides right here. Right? So if you notice, we have at least 5 slides right here. I want to put it right on this new slide here. If you notice, we only have one, so I want to copy and paste it here. How are we going to do that? Right? It's very important. Right? If you notice all the slides, because we don't want this one, so we want everything else. So the first thing we're going to do in order to copy the multiple slide right here, just click on the first one. You notice, then I put the cursor on the last one and then hold on the shift key and click. You notice all is highlight. So we're going to put the cursor on it, we're going to right click. You're going to click on the word copy. You click on the word copy, you're going to bring up the next slide that you want to paste it on. Right, so you're going to come right on it here. You notice, click underneath it, you're going to right click. You notice these are the paste option right here. Right, these are the different paste option right here. Right here. And all that, so you can actually choose which one ever you want. Right, so I'm going to click. Right, you got it. And if you notice right here, these are all of them that I just actually copy a while ago. Very important. Right here. So whenever time you have a next slide you want to copy and paste, that's exactly actually do it. So hope you have learned something from this particular video here. So thanks for watching. See you